I've noticed MoonPay partnering with some of the best projects lately, but what exactly is MoonPay? At its core, MoonPay is a financial technology company that builds payment infrastructure for the crypto world. It bridges traditional finance and Web3 by offering seamless on and off-ramp solutions, allowing users to convert fiat currencies into cryptocurrencies easily. Whether it's through debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or bank transfers, MoonPay makes entering the crypto space accessible and user-friendly. With operations in over 160 countries and trusted by more than 300 leading wallets, websites and apps, MoonPay has become the go-to solution for Web3 developers and crypto users. Its easy integration, broad support for cryptocurrencies and payment methods, and unmatched security make it a powerhouse in the crypto infrastructure space. It's no wonder so many top projects are aligning with MoonPay to power their ecosystems. Of course, all my research do you own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.